often you do see and hear different publications, sources talk about 3 estimates. I think a lot of that comes from more of the commercial side of things. It's completely different when you have an architect that is speccing all, and an engineer that has gone through and created prints so that you are getting apples to apples bids on a project. And that's much easier to do in a commercial setting. Most people can't afford to have an architect create specs for their kitchen project or their bathroom project. I think it's worth, I guess what I would say to clients, to anybody looking to improve their home, is talk to at least 3 different contractors. Discuss budget, but I think there's a lot of other things that you need to consider is as far as, do we connect? Do we click? Do we like to work together? Do they respect me? Do they listen to me? That's important. You know, how do they work? Do they give me a time frame of when the work will start and when the work will be completed by? What's the payment schedule? Do they have a detailed contract? Those are all really important things. If you do go the route of wanting to create your own specs and then lay them side by side, go for it. But chances are it's going to be very difficult to do that with 3 different contractors. But we try to be very specific in our contracts as far as listing colors, finishes, you know, model numbers, all of that. That's not only important as far as for the detail of the contract, so you know that you're getting what we've agreed upon, but also that's important information for warranty's sake. Say if something comes up that a faucet has an issue 5 years down the road, we can pull up your contract, take a look at that, and know exactly what we need to do to address that. So that's important information to take into account. Specs are specifications, so identifying a specific product that will be used. So for your lavatory faucet, we're going to use a Delta 964-SS, and that's going to be a single hole faucet positioned right in the middle of the center line with the bowl. So that's the kind of detail that you'll typically get when using an architect, that more than likely you're not going to have that service as part of your process and going through. We like to think we provide a lot of that as somebody works with us, because it's important to us, again, to communicate that from the design side of things, that's what we deliver on the production side. And so it is really important that we do create a lot of drawings for our own reference, and those are provided to the client so that we're all on the same page as far as what's the end product going to be like.